It is November 2025, and what I'm unboxing here is Spanish Cetme rifle kit from Centerfire. It comes with original barrel, so I'm going to take it out of the package now to show you what it is. It's out of the plastic package. So this is the original parts kit from Spanish Cetme C. Cetme Modelo C. And Cetme stands for Centro de Estudios de Materiales Especiales. Model C. They used to have Model A, Model B, and this is the Model C. Slightly modernized version of it. These kits range from used to range from like 250 bucks to 150 bucks, you know, for the. Now they're like really cheap. All these vendors are trying to unload them. So this one comes with the original barrel. This is the new thing because the barrel ban expired this year. Prior to May of 2025, the barrel had to be cut when the kits were imported. So this is like really good because the United States, U.S. made barrel. It's like $120, $150, $200, depending on which one. So what I did, I took it out of the box and inspected the whole kit to see if everything's there, and everything's there. Except there's a rear part of this receiver that has these bushings, and I had to buy them separately. These enforcement bushings, and there's another plate, small plate that goes there, but I think I can get away with that. I don't need a reinforcement plate. Then I inspected the trigger mechanism. It's FA. See, you'll have to take this out and cut it right here to modify it for semi-auto. You also get the pedal. You get the pedal here. You also have to modify that. The housing is okay. And then the wood stock with two pins that go in here. I placed them right there. And then usually this will get beat up, this rubber. So it's really nice. It's not cracked. The pedal sight, rear sight, the bolt carrier and the bolt head look nice. We want to pay attention to these rollers, make sure they're all fine. Also the front guard, make sure there's no cracks, big cracks at least. I got lucked out. I got the whole cleaning kit container. It's empty, but it's intact. Usually these will be missing. This aluminum piece will be missing. But just in case, I bought it from another vendor. I bought a unissued kit, cleaning kit that goes there. So what you get is some oil packs and brush. Alright, so that's good. Let's look at the other side. This also gets beat up. This charging handle tube gets beat up and bent. I see some wear right there, but that'll be fine. And there's a spring that goes right here. It's broken or missing, so I'm gonna have to buy that. Let's go up front and look at the patina right here. I mean, it's all from carrying it or handling it for too long. And apparently these Cetme rifles, they don't come with the chrome line barrel, but look at the outside has some patina, but the barrel is perfect. It looks like it's chrome line. At least to me it looks like it is. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. The bore is good. It looks chrome line to me. And this kit was like $120. There was a 150 for 150. You get a bayonet too, but I didn't get it. And I regret it now. I didn't know that. I thought that these are all beat up, so I bought a flat from another vendor, RTG. So I'm gonna be bending that. And it's a Cetme or Cetme specific. There's no reinforcement ring around here, so. But see the Cetme receiver? It has a flat spot right here. Look at that. And this one doesn't have that. This is a G3 receiver that was made to look like Cetme. Also have a specific magazine for it, for the Cetme rifle. You know, just to have it, even though the G3 aluminum ones work fine. I mean, I'm gonna get to bending this flat. I have the jig. I'm gonna bend it right now and see how it comes out. If it comes out fine, then I'm gonna buy another flat and another kit, this time with the bayonet. Because they're so cheap, I mean, it's a good investment. You're not gonna get this cheaper. The reason why these kits are cheap now, I see that the kits are getting cheaper and cheaper is because of the economy. It's kind of slowed down. You know, people bought a lot of guns during the Biden administration. So now there's a lot of guns around and people are not panic buying anymore, so. What I'm doing here is fine tuning it. This jig has instructions and tells you how to fine tune it so it's not too tight, it's not too loose. Here it is, guys. Came out perfect. Still have to fine tune it slightly. With that jig, it comes out slightly, when the bolt comes through, it's slightly tight. I'm definitely ordering another kit with the bayonet and a few slings. I forgot to order a few slings. At the center fire, they're only like $1 now for the B grade. What do you guys think? Came out fine? Till next video. Like and subscribe.